Good morning, children. We are in Unit 16, Microorganisms. In the previous class, we discussed about virus. Today, we are going to discuss about the next microorganism, bacteria. Are you ready? Bacteria are single-celled microscopic organism. They are prokaryotes. They are unicellular prokaryotes. They can be found on most materials and surfaces. Trillions on and in your body right now. There are two types of cells, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Multicellular organisms are eukaryotic. Why? They have well-defined nucleus with the nuclear membrane. But unicellular organism or single-celled organisms like bacteria are prokaryotes. Why they are prokaryote? They don't have well-defined nucleus and nuclear membrane. So, they are coming under the prokaryotic cell. This bacteria is said to be the first living organism on earth. Bacteria is a first living organism on earth. This bacteria is grouped under kingdom Monera. And the study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. There are two types of respiration. Do you know? Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means what? The organisms respiring with the help of air or oxygen is called as aerobic respiration. Just opposite to that is anaerobic respiration. The organism which can breathe in the absence of oxygen or air is called anaerobic respiration. Based on this respiration, bacteria is classified into two: aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria requires oxygen for breathing. Anaerobic bacteria doesn't require oxygen for breathing. Next, structure of bacteria. The structure of bacteria is an important question. This is the structure of bacteria. Some important organelles: capsule, cell wall, ribosome, nucleoid, flagella, pili, and cytoplasm. This is how you have to draw the bacteria. Okay, cell wall. Where is it present? The cell wall is the outer covering of the bacteria. The cell wall gives the protection to the bacteria. And next, ribosome. This ribosome is a protein synthesis. The proteins are made with the help of ribosomes. It is granular in appearance. And next, chromosome. Chromosome is a ring made up of DNA. Bacteria contain single-celled chromosome. That is DNA. Capsule. This capsule keeps the cell from drying out and helps to stick to the food or other cells. So, this capsule keeps the bacteria without drying. Then flagella. Flagella is a whip-like tail that some bacteria have for locomotion. Can you notice a brown colored thread-like? That is flagella. This flagella is helpful for the bacteria to move. And then this bacteria has got an extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid. It is also present in the cytoplasm. And other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum are all absent here in the bacteria. So these are all the important organelles and parts in the bacteria. Next, classification of bacteria. The bacteria is classified based on the shape and the number and arrangement of flagella. First, based on the shape, the bacteria is classified into various types. Let's discuss about that. According to the shape, the bacteria is classified into 4 types. What are they? Bacilli. Rod-shaped bacteria or bacilli or bacilli. Example, Bacillus anthracis. Rod-shaped bacteria or bacilli. Next, spirilla. Spirilla or spiral-shaped bacteria. Example, Helicobacter pylori. Spiral-shaped bacteria are called spirilla. And next, cocci. Cocci are spherical or ball-shaped bacteria. This cocci itself can be classified into 3. Single spherical shaped bacteria is cocci. Suppose if 2 cocci stick together, it is called as diplococcus. A pair of coccus is called diplococcus. In case if this cocci is arranged in a form of chain, it is called as streptococcus. If it occurs in bunches, it is called as staphylococcus. If it is in pair, it is diplococcus. If it is in a form of chain, it is streptococcus. If it is in bunches, it is staphylococcus. Next, Vibrio. The comma-shaped bacteria is Vibrio. Example, Vibrio cholera. So we have seen 4 types of bacteria based on shape. What are they? Comma-shaped Vibrio, spherical-shaped cocci, spiral-shaped spirilla, and rod-shaped bacteria. And next, the bacteria is classified based on number and arrangement of flagella. What are they? Atrichus, Monotrichus, Cephalotrichus, Amphitrichus, Peritrichus, and Lophotrichus. I repeat, Atrichus, Monotrichus, Cephalotrichus, Amphitrichus, Peritrichus, and Lophotrichus. Single flagella at one end is monotrichous. Example, Vibrio cholera. If only one flagella is present in one side, it is monotrichous. If group of flagella are present in one side, it is Lophotrichus. Example, Pseudomonas bacteria. If group of flagella or tuft of flagella are present in one end, it is Lophotrichus. If group of flagella are present in both the ends, that is Amphitrichus. Then, if the flagella is present all around the bacteria, it is called Peritrichus. If there is no flagella, it is called Atrichus. So, based on the presence of flagella, the bacteria is classified into 5 types. Next, how does bacteria get its food? There are special kind of bacteria, photosynthetic bacteria, which can make their own food. Example, cyanobacteria. You know what is photosynthesis? The organism prepares its own food with the help of sunlight. That is called as photosynthesis. So, photosynthetic bacteria also prepares their own food with the help of sunlight. That's why they are called as photosynthetic bacteria. Some kind of bacteria live in the harsh environment. Those kind of bacteria cannot get the sunlight. If it's under the ocean, nearby the volcano, they cannot get sunlight. There, they get the energy with the help of chemicals. Chemicals like ammonia, hydrogen sulfide are helpful for the bacteria to get the food. So they utilize the energy. They cannot utilize the energy, so they utilize the energy from the chemicals. That's why they are called as chemosynthesis. So the process of preparing food with the help of chemicals is called as chemosynthesis. And also, some kind of bacteria live in the intestine and get energy from the food what we eat. Okay, so these are the ways the bacteria get its nutrition. Photosynthetic bacteria gets the energy from sunlight, and the bacteria which are living in the harsh environment get the energy from chemicals, that is called chemosynthesis. And some kind of bacteria show symbiotic relationship by gaining energy by staying in the intestine. That's how this bacteria gets food or nutrition. Then how does it reproduce? This bacteria reproduces by binary and multiple fission. This is binary fission. How is it happening? This involves in the copying of DNA and splitting into two new cells. A single cell split into two new cells. It is called as binary fission. That's how the bacteria reproduces. So, in this class, we have discussed about the bacteria, classification of bacteria, structure of bacteria, and the mode of nutrition in bacteria. Thank you.